Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope we always healthy and we always feel happy. I am Novianti Lestari, and today I am going to explain about the difference between family and relatives and nuclear family and extended family. So, the first I am going to explain about the difference between family and relatives. Family is the core group of people who live together and have close relationships, such as parents, children, and siblings. While relatives is a broader term that includes all people who are related to you, whether through blood, marriage, or adoptions. This includes the nuclear family, but also extends to more distant relatives such as grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and so on. So, family is part of relatives, but not all relatives are part of the nuclear family. And second, I am going to explain about nuclear family and extended family. Of course, there's a difference between nuclear family and an extended family. Nuclear family is the core family consisting of father, mother, and their children. For example, my nuclear family consists of my husband and my children. My husband and my 2 children. And while extended family include the nuclear family plus all the relatives such as grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins, which is often called a big family. For example, last Eid, we gathered with our extended family at our grandfather's house. There were my parents, my grandparents, my aunts, my uncles, and my cousins. Okay, so that's all for my explanation about family, relatives, nuclear family, and extended family. So I apologize if there are any mistakes. And thank you so much for your attention. See you next later. Goodbye.